Artificial intelligence is definitely reshaping developers' roles in various ways. A recent report uncovers that AI and ML in software development workflows show promise, but challenges like toolchain complexity and security concerns persist. Hello and welcome to VARINDIA NewsHours. GitLab suggests that 65% of developers are using artificial intelligence and machine learning in their code testing efforts or plan to do so within the next 3 years, signaling a potentially significant shift towards the automation of software development processes. The key highlights are: number 1, increased efficiency. AI is helping developers to automate repetitive and mundane tasks, thereby freeing up their time to focus on more creative and complex tasks. For example, AI-powered tools can automatically test code, optimize performance, and even generate code in some cases. Number 2, new skill requirements. With the rise of artificial intelligence, developers are required to have a new set of skills such as machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics. These skills are becoming increasingly important as more businesses adopt AI technologies. Number 3, collaboration with AI systems. Developers are now collaborating with AI systems and using them as a tool to help build better software. This requires developers to have a deeper understanding of AI technologies and how to integrate them with their software. Number 4, changing job roles. AI is also creating new job roles for developers such as data scientists and machine learning engineers. These roles require a different set of skills and expertise compared to traditional software development roles. GitLab's report found that organizations were beginning to incorporate security into the software development lifecycle earlier, with AI/ML playing a critical role in identifying vulnerabilities in code. Developers who used a DevSecOps platform were more likely to have implemented automation and AI/ML for testing than those who had not, the research found. Going forward, AI is changing the way developers work and the skills they require to be successful in the industry. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see further changes in the developer's role and the software development industry as a whole. Let's look into today's headlines. Geoffrey Hinton, Godfather of AI, quits Google. Geoffrey Hinton, referred to as the Godfather of Artificial Intelligence, has left Google after a decade. He intends to speak about the dangers and risks of the technology which he helped to develop. His departure marks an important pivot in the development of AI, as Hinton is also banding together with other critics to warn of the potential dangers of AI. The artificial intelligence pioneer created the intellectual foundation of the AI systems that power today's chatbots like ChatGPT. Facebook parent company Meta plans $7 billion bond issue. Meta Platforms Inc. is planning to raise $7 billion in a second bond offering. The 5-part bond issue's longest 40-year security could yield 215 basis points over treasuries. The Facebook parent plans to use the funds to help finance capital expenditures, repurchase outstanding shares of its common stock, and for acquisitions or investments, according to a report. WhatsApp bans over 4.7 million Indian accounts in March. WhatsApp has banned over 4.7 million Indian accounts in March, its latest monthly report showed. It banned over 4.5 million accounts in February and 2.9 million in January, while complying with all 3 orders received from the newly constituted Grievance Appellate Committee between March 1st to 31st, 2023. Almost 4,720 grievance reports were received and 585 accounts were actioned during March. TataCommunications completely acquires the Switch Enterprises. TataCommunications has announced completion of the acquisition of the Switch Enterprises LLC, the Switch, through its wholly owned international subsidiary TataCommunications Netherlands BV. The $58.8 million, that is rupees 486.3 crores, cash transaction has been closed post customary adjustments and regulatory approvals. With the close of this transaction, the combined strength of TataCommunications and the Switch is set to usher in a new world of end-to-end video production and transmission of high-quality, high-speed and more immersive live video experiences for viewers and fans, from event venues and racetracks to screens across varied equipment such as televisions, mobile devices, etc. Google to have separate notification and ringtone audio on Android. Google is reportedly planning to add separate sliders to control ringtone and notification volumes. Android users can now expect separate volume and ringtone sliders on Pixel smartphones with an upcoming Android version. In the recent Android versions, users get only one slider for notifications and ringtone volume. This means if users want to silence their incoming calls, they will have no other choice but to silence their notifications as well. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.